In this video strictly to you and your messages, and this is a big one. This is a big one. That's why I couldn't just make this free for everybody. I wanted to just send this to you. It's something called getting yellow marked and getting flagged. When you get yellow marked, it causes your video to not get recommended, and you also do not make any money. I figured out a way to finesse it. Watch this. So when you get yellow marked, I don't want you seeing my password, my brother or my sister. No cap. You ain't got no profile picture, so I don't know what you is. All right, so my case is a little different. I got self-rate. Some of you might have self-rate, some of you might have not. It's basically when you rate your own videos. If you don't worry about what the fuck I just said. I'm just talking shit. But if you don't have self-rate, then this turns yellow automatically sometimes. All you have to do, and I swear to God, nigga, this is not me scamming you or capping to you. I've been doing this shit for years, nigga. I'm not finna fucking tell you that again. No cap. But listen, this video right here, I uploaded this yesterday. All you have to do, if this is yellow mark, you go down here. If you got a custom thumbnail, make it into one of these thumbnails. Make it into one of the default thumbnails right here. And then after you make the default thumbnail, change the title. But before you do all that, make sure you hit review. So when you get yellow mark, you're able to review it. You know this already. Okay, listen, because you bought this, you know what the fuck I'm telling you. When this shit go yellow and they say review, click review, then you go over here and you click, you change the fucking title to something very friendly. Change it to something friendly, but still has something to do with the video. Just change the title, go down here and use a default thumbnail and watch what the fuck I tell you. This is for the people that do not have self-rate. If you got self-rate, and just hit none of the above every fucking time. YouTube do not care. They're not really watching the videos. They only care about the first 30 seconds. You getting yellow marked because you cussing too much, or you got your ass in the fucking thumbnail, or you shirtless, or anything like that. No nudity, no skin should be shown in the thumbnail, and no skin or nothing like that should be shown in the first minute or two of the video. You get yellow marked, all you have to do is change the fucking thumbnail to a default thumbnail that you already provide you. And then you have to motherfucking change the title. This is not no cap. I cannot make this up. I've been doing this for years, like I said. Good luck with your yellow marks. Get rid of the motherfuckers. Come on. And before you test this method, make sure your video is family friendly. You know, don't have no ass all in the thumbnail, like I said, or in the first couple minutes of the video. And then expect to change your thumbnail to the default thumbnail and title, and then it just automatically go back. This is for videos that you feel is wrongly yellow marked. If you know your shit should be yellow marked, then don't even bother. You know what I mean? But if you feel like your shit yellow marked wrong because the system fucks up, change the thumbnail to a default thumbnail and change the title after you hit review. And watch what the fuck I tell you. Sometimes it take 10 minutes. Sometimes it take 20 minutes. Sometimes it take an hour. Sometimes it take a couple hours. But it's going to take way less than what